These are the elevators at the Crowne Plaza in downtown Orlando. This one's got a rear door. Wow, that lantern is not in good shape. Let's go to 14. Custom impulse. Here we are at 14. Actually, we're gonna get another car, but before we do that real quick, here's your cab view. You can see there's another elevator down there. But yeah, again, that could be in better shape. Let's call another one. We started on 2 since the elevators open up right to the lobby on 1. But in the meantime, here's a little look. Here's a look at the hallway. And I'll cut them when we get one. One of them is here. That looks a little better, although you can tell that someone drew that in with Sharpie. Not the first time I've seen that, though. Here's your emergency phone. And we're stopping. Just gonna get off here. You got another elevator. And that one, I don't know what to say about that one. Let's go back to G. So I guess you're getting to see all 3 of these, just not full rides on any of them. Maybe on this one if it's not busy. Here's your directory. We're stopping. Just gonna get off again. While we're here, I'm pretty sure that's the service elevator right there. Not 100% though. Pretty much every floor looks the same. We got this one again. Actually, while we're here, can we go back up? We are going up. So here we are at 14. Real quick, this is one of the rear buildings that has a 13th floor. In pretty much any other building, this would have been 14 and this would have been 15. But here's an exception. And the button goes out before the floor is even reached and before the indicator changes. Since we're here, I want to show you the luckiest room in the building. Room 1313 right here. I'm not staying here, but I just wanted to point it out. Anyway, let's go back down. We're gonna go down to G. We'll see how far we get, because as you can tell, these are pretty busy. Interesting how these are Dover custom impulse. And we're stopping. You're getting to see pretty much every elevator here. Let's go to G. GR is a staff area. Also, I guess they have a meeting room on the 14th floor, the top floor of the building. Interesting. Let's see if we pick up anyone at the lobby. Those doors didn't shut as quick as I wanted them to, but let's just ride it the rest of the way up. Alright, we're gonna ride a different one going down.